Good morning. We will talk about the difference between qualifying and wrangling. Have you ever been in an argument situation when you explain something to other people but they misunderstand? They may think that you want to dispute even though it doesn't mean like that. How can they know that you want to qualify or wrangle? They know that by your actions. It depends on reason, attitude, tone, words, and gesture. Those are the elements that you should be careful. So we'll tell you more about those topics.
First thing is the difference between qualifying and wrangling. People use words to say something or express idea. They can simply misunderstand you by your word as that they think it is not right in their opinion. However, you don't want to be misunderstood. You should choose words wisely. We can divide words in two groups, which are explanation words and dispute words. For instance, for clarifying, if they hit someone, they will give apology. On the other hand, for worrying, they might ask why you hit me. Finally, we should think about the word before we speak.
One of the difference between qualifying and wrangling is reason. To begin, the good speaking should be reasonable. You must think consciously before speaking, but don't say everything you think. In addition, you shouldn't speak rudely, but speaking softly is recommended to make good speech. Moreover, you should explain your thought to other people that you want to convey to your opinion. However, some people might not like to use express idea and explain the reason. For instance, to deal with problem, people who have not temper always wrangle.
Tone is a vocal sound with a reference to its pitch quality and strength. It can tell your emotions whether you are angry, happy, or moody. When clarifying, it can with a soft tone. A speaker can control their emotion. They don't scream with the others when they are speaking. Wrangling is used to speak with a loud noise. Contrast to the qualifications, they often scream or bow to the other people when they talk to the others. The facts, clarifying and wrangling is totally different in the mood and tones of the way they speak.
Everyone often shows their emotion by doing gestures. Therefore, we can observe their action to grasp their emotion when wearing. People normally show their movement, aggressive and contrast. When qualifying, people normally humble and speak with calm manner.
The last point is attitude. I think attitude make difference between qualifying and wrangling the most, because when we wrangling with someone, your mind focuses on winning. You will try everything to make them lose. You will think about their mistake in the past and use it as issue to fight them back, and then you start to be rude. On the other hand, if you try to clarifying, all you want is that want them to understand your information. Therefore, think before you speak and keep peace in your mind. See, the way to be clarifying is much easier than the way to be wrangling. And remember, you can fix problem by changing your attitude.
In conclusion, to deal with problem, things that shouldn't be done are wrangling. This is because it is the wrong way to figure out the issue. So what we should do instead is not to talk and discuss with each other using reason. Nevertheless, one way to reduce wrangling is to calm down and give a chance to the one who you talk to. So that he or she could say that what they think. Lastly, I tend to believe that every problem is possible to be solved, but you are the one who would be able to choose whether it will be end nicely with happiness or end sadness and anger. Thank you.